welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make this simple, creamy tuna pasta salad. To get started, add water to a pot and season with salt. Bring the water to a boil and add 3 cups of rotini pasta. Boil until the pasta is cooked through, then drain the pasta but don't rinse the water. Keeping the starch makes the salad thicker and less runny. Now dice up 1 bell pepper, 2 stalks of celery, and 1/4 cup of red onion. We'll also be adding 1 cup of peas. Open and drain 2 6-ounce cans of tuna. Now add the cooled pasta to a bowl along with the dressing ingredients, which is 2/3 cups of mayo, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of relish, 2 tablespoons of capers, 1 teaspoon of dill, the vegetables we cut, and the drained tuna. Give everything a good mix, then taste for salt and pepper. And that's it! This salad is really creamy and so delicious. This makes the perfect side dish to go with any meal, especially at a barbecue this summer. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.